croeso I Mathemateg Miss Cati. Heddiw rydym yn mynd I fod yn gwblhau problemau rhannu byr. Hello, welcome to Miss Cati's Maths. Today we are going to be completing short division problems using the bus stop method. So our first question here shows a very simple division question. So mae'r cwestiwn cyntaf yn fan hyn yn dangos cwestiwn andros o syml sy'n ymwneud â rhannu'n fan hyn. A dwi am ddangos I chi sut I osod o yn yr bus stop a dechrau datrys y problem yma. So I'm going to show you now how to place this correctly in the bus stop method so we can start going about solving this problem. Okay, so peth mwy o bwysig am yr bus stop yw lle I osod yr rhifau yn gywir. So the most important thing about division in the bus stop method is placing the numbers correctly. Okay, so what we have here, the question asks 24 divided by 2. 24 wedi rhannu gyda 2. Okay? Mae hwn yn olygu bod ni'n rhannu y rhif yma, 24, mewn I 2. What that question means is that we are dividing this number here by 2. This is the number that is being divided. Dyma'r rhif sy'n cael ei rhannu yn fan hyn. Felly dyma'r rhif sy'n eistedd tu mewn y bus stop. Okay? This is the number that sits inside the bus stop because this is the number that's getting divided. Okay, a dyma'r rhif sy'n eistedd tu allan y bus stop. This is the number that sits outside the bus stop. Okay, so I'm just going to do it quickly for you here. So we have 2, 24, and then between them, we have a bus stop. Now, like I said, please use a ruler for this. Okay, mae gen ni 2 tu allan y bus stop a 24 yn aros tu mewn i'r bus stop. Okay. Pryd ni'n rhannu'r rhifau, dyn ni ddim yn edrych ar y rhif llawn, rhif cyfan fan hyn. Dyn ni edrych ar y rhifau ar wahân gyda'i gweddill lle. Iawn, ac os mae hyn yn helpu chi, fedrwch chi'n neud jyst fatha llinell bach rhwng rhifau jyst I rhoi nhw ar wahân. So when we are dividing numbers, we don't look at it as a number as a whole. We split it into its place value. And if it does help, you can do a little line in between, but you don't have to do that. It's just a quick tip if you find it easier. Iawn, so ni'n edrych ar y rhifau yma'n gyntaf, achos hwn dy'r un agosa at y 2, ac y rhif yma ydi 20, achos mae yn yr colofn degau. So we look at this number first because it's the closest to the 2, and it's in the tens column, so this number is 20. Pryd ni'n rhannu rhifau, dyn ni'n gofyn I fi'n hun, reit, sawl gwaith mae 2 medru ffitio mewn I 20. So when we are dividing numbers, we simply ask how many times can I fit 2 into the number 20. Okay, now this is all to do with our times tables. Times tables do help us with this question, but if you would like a more of a visual aid, this is the way that I would try it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw 20 dots. Ending now, 20. Okay, so what I've got here now is 20 dots. Beth sy'n gyda'r yn hyn ydy 20 smotyn. I adlewyrchu'r ffaith bod yna 20 yn y colofn degau yn hyn, just to reflect the fact that there is 20 in the tens column. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how many groups of 2, sawl grwpiau o 2, fedra I gwneud allan o 20. Okay? A ffordd dwi'n ei hwn ydy just droi cylch o gwmpas pob 2. And the way that I'm going to show this now is just put a circle around every group of 2. Right. Okay. So as you can see now, I have grouped these dots into groups of 2. Dwi wedi grwpio'r dots here yma, 20 dots mewn grwpiau o 2. So be dwi am wneud wan, dwi am cyfri faint o grwpiau o 2 dwi wedi creu. What I'm going to do is I'm going to count how many groups of 2 that I have created here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, da iawn. So dyn ni wedi ffeindio allan bod mae 2 yn ffitio mewn I 20 10 gwaith. We have found out that 2 fits into 20 10 times because we've been able to make 10 groups of 2. Dwi wedi creu 10 grŵp o 2. Felly, because we're already in the tens column I'm just going to draw 1 to represent 10. Okay, now we're going to move on to number 4. Dyn ni am symud ymlaen i'r unedau, y rhif 4. A dwi am wneud union un fath, 4 smotyn. Now you might already be able to see how many groups of 2 we can fit in 4. However, I'm just going to show you anyway. Falle ydych chi'n gwybod yn barod sawl gwaith mae 2 mynd mewn i 4, sawl grwpiau o 2 fedrwn ni creu, ond dwi am dal wneud anyway. Okay, so mae gennym ni un grŵp, 1 group of 2, a 2 group, 2 groups of 2, which shows that 2 fits into 4 2 times. Mae 2 yn ffitio mewn i 4 2 waith. A dyna ni, dyn ni wedi cwblhau'r cwestiwn. We have completed the question. 24 divided by 2 is 12.